Kayla and welcome to Weight Loss Wednesday number 3. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about some of my fitness favorites, just a little quick rundown of some things that I really love on my fitness journey related strictly to fitness. I can do a whole nother like health favorites and food favorites and stuff like that in a different video, but today I want to talk about fitness. So I'm going to start with what seems like the weirdest thing for me to say, but it's been like essential to my workouts, is a scrunchie. When I started my weight loss journey, I had mermaid hair, like mermaid hair goals, but I have chopped my hair off and it still gets in my face, so I like being able to just pull my hair back, tuck in a scrunchie. I like them better than hair ties. They don't snug as much as one's covered in hair, but scrunchies are my favorite way to pull my hair out of my face for a workout. Headbands don't work for me. I gotta pull it all the way back. That's why I have long enough layers that can go back, because I can't do headbands. Then I've got some equipment. Now, I am a big fan of being able to work out wherever you can and wherever you have space and time. So I'm a big fan of equipment that you can take on the go very easily and that you can use your body weight for. So my first thing I've got here is a resistance band. I love doing arm workouts with resistance bands because A, you're using resistance and tension and body weight instead of weights. Which sometimes is harder, sometimes easier. I hate doing shoulder presses with resistance bands because my arms are short and so you have to stretch them a lot and it hurts. But I love having these. They're really easy to take with you places. They're a little big, but this would be something easy to travel with, and I'm hoping that one day I'll be able to get back into traveling, and so this is an easy thing to throw in a suitcase to be able to work out on the go. Another thing to put in a suitcase, easy to work out on the go with, is booty bands or leg resistance bands. I have 3 from Tone It Up. 2 of them came in a pack together. This one, which is strengthen, and this one that is fine toning. So one's a little bit snugger than the other. And then I have just a light one that came with my lifestyle kit. So I love these. I love a good booty workout. You know, it's good. I love squats. I love leg lifts. I love all sorts of things that tone the booty. So these are a lifesaver, and literally I wrap them up, put them back in this tiny little bag, and I can throw this in my purse and do a workout anywhere, which is ideal. They're not wanting to go back in the bag right now, but usually they do. My next few things I want to talk about are all on my phone. So I have some apps that I want to talk about. The first being the Studio Tone It Up app. Right now I don't have a subscription to it. I just do the daily moves. But that is something that I really like, is having a set of 5 moves or 4 moves to do every day. And it's new every day, and they're planned so that you can do the moves every day. They're targeting a different part of your body every day so that you don't overwork one part of your body, so that you can't do them in a row. So they're spaced out so you could do them every day, which is awesome. I also love Sworkit. That has strength, cardio, yoga, and stretching. I do a lot of the yoga and stretching ones at home when you can't make it to a class, so I like those kind of things. I also love YouTube videos. So Tone It Up posts a lot of their Studio Tone It Up videos on YouTube to do. I also really love Lucy Wyndham-Reed. She posts a lot of really incredible workouts, and she's super motivating. So I will link both the Tone It Up and Lucy Wyndham-Reed YouTube channels down below. I love being able to just throw on a video and do a workout in my room. I also love like looking up Zumba videos or other cardio dance because I like to dance. So that's a really fun fitness activity for me to do. But anything I can do that's easy and makes it so I don't have to go to the gym, I'm all about it. So those are just some of my fitness favorites. If you like this video, give it a big old thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and hit that notification bell to see when I upload a video. I upload on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!